New parents know the struggle. Preparing fresh, healthy meals for your baby while juggling a million other tasks. This Fobisabi Baby Food Maker processor and blender for fresh meals, fruits, veggies, meat, and puree white steps in as a game changer, simplifying the process of crafting nutritious, homemade baby food. This all-in-one kitchen marvel tackles the chaos of meal prep with ease, blending efficiency, safety, and versatility into one sleek package. Whether you're pureeing fruits for a newborn or blending veggies for a toddler, this baby food maker delivers results that make parenting just a little less stressful. Let's dive into why the Fobisabi Baby Food Maker is a must-have for every modern parent. Solving the pain points of baby meal prep. Preparing fresh baby food can feel like a daunting task. Store-bought options often raise concerns about additives, preservatives, or lack of flavor variety. Plus, manually chopping, steaming, and blending ingredients is time-consuming and messy, especially when you're sleep-deprived. The Fobisabi Baby Food Maker eliminates these hurdles by combining chopping, pureeing, and blending into one seamless process. It's designed to save time, reduce mess, and ensure your baby gets the freshest, healthiest meals possible. With this device, you can whip up nutrient-packed purees in seconds, giving you more time to cuddle with your little one. Why the Fobisabi Baby Food Maker stands out. This baby food maker isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a thoughtfully designed tool that prioritizes your baby's health and your convenience. Here's a closer look at its standout features and how they make life easier for busy parents. Lightning-fast food prep. Equipped with 6 razor-sharp stainless steel blades and a high-power motor, the Fobisabi Baby Food Maker processes fruits, vegetables, meats, and more in seconds. For tougher ingredients like carrots or potatoes, a quick steam and a splash of water transform them into silky smooth purees perfect for your baby's delicate palate. Premium, safe materials. Crafted with a food-grade glass bowl, BPA-free plastic, PP, and stainless steel blades, this baby food maker ensures every meal is free from harmful chemicals. The built-in safety lock adds an extra layer of protection, preventing accidental operation and giving you peace of mind. Whisper-quiet operation. Unlike noisy blenders that wake a sleeping baby, this device operates quietly, letting you prepare meals during nap time without disruption. It's a small but significant detail that parents will appreciate. Effortless cleaning. The dishwasher-safe mixing bowl and fully detachable design make cleanup a breeze. The bowl lid separates completely from the machine body, ensuring no food residue lingers and every meal is hygienic. Versatile for all stages. From smooth purees for infants to chunkier blends for toddlers, this baby food maker adapts to your child's evolving needs. It handles a wide range of ingredients, letting you experiment with flavors and textures to suit your baby's preferences. Benefits that make a difference. The Fobisabi Baby Food Maker isn't just about convenience. It's about empowering parents to provide the best for their babies. Here are the top benefits that set it apart. Healthier meals, made simple. By preparing fresh, homemade baby food, you control the ingredients, avoiding preservatives and additives found in many store-bought options. This ensures your baby gets the nutrients they need for healthy growth and development. Time-saving efficiency. The one-touch operation and quick processing mean you can create a batch of baby food in minutes, freeing up time for other parenting duties or a well-deserved break. Cost-effective nutrition. Making your own baby food saves money compared to buying pre-packaged jars or pouches. With the Fobisabi, you can turn affordable, fresh produce into gourmet meals for your little one. Who's it for? The perfect fit for modern parents. New parents. If you're just starting your baby's solid food journey, this device simplifies the process of creating smooth, nutrient-rich purees. Busy professionals. Working moms and dads with tight schedules will love the quick prep and easy cleanup, making healthy meals feasible even on hectic days. Health-conscious families. Those who prefer organic, additive-free foods will appreciate the ability to customize recipes with fresh, wholesome ingredients. Budget-savvy shoppers. Parents looking to save money by making their own baby food will find this tool a cost-effective alternative to store-bought options. Tips for getting the most out of your Fobisabi Baby Food Maker. Batch prep for convenience. Prepare larger quantities and store them in airtight containers for quick meals throughout the week. Experiment with flavors. Introduce your baby to a variety of fruits, veggies, and lean meats to expand their palate and support healthy eating habits. Steam tough ingredients. For denser foods like root vegetables, steaming beforehand ensures smoother purees and easier blending. Addressing common concerns. Some parents worry about the learning curve of using a baby food maker or whether it's worth the investment. The Fobisabi eliminates these concerns with its intuitive one-touch operation and durable design. It's built to last through multiple children, making it a smart long-term investment. Plus, its compact size means it won't clutter your kitchen counter, and its versatility ensures you'll use it well into the toddler years. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.